Sajid from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is sesquipedalian. 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 The definition of sesquipedalian is long. This word is derived from the mid-17th century from the Latin word sesquipedalis. The practice of using long words in speeches or writing is known as sesquipedalian. An example of a sentence with the word sesquipedalian is, the principal often used many sesquipedalian words in his speech. Some of the synonyms of sesquipedalian are pretentious, polysyllabic, long, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.